Okay, today we're talking about back to school, but at home. And so I want you to be successful with your online learning. And the number one thing you need to do is find a space that's going to work for each of your children. So number one ideal would be for each child to have a desk or table space that they can keep all of their learning materials at all the time. So what I did here was we put this desk in my daughter's bedroom, and everything she needs for learning is here. And that way when she wants to take a break, she can go somewhere else. And these materials are here for her next time she comes back to me. Number one, create a space to limit distractions. Now this is hard if you are in a situation like this where all of your children and maybe you are working in one space like at the kitchen table. So here's some pointers. Purchase some great headphones, and here's why.
I wear headphones to hear my teacher better.
I wear headphones to listen to music while I work.
I wear headphones to be cool. Actually, I wear them to tune out the noise.
Also, make a space you love for the times when you don't need a desk. Check out what we did here. We found a corner to make into a really cozy learning environment. And we found another spot next to our desk to chill and learn. Time to get out that school supply list. You still need everything on that list, so purchase it now and have it for your at-home learning. You've done your school shopping, it's time to get organized. Look for bins and caddies like these to help keep your family organized. I call this kitchen table learning. And guess what? A calendar is going to go a long way to help keep you all on track. Like this, that's on wheels, to organize a shared space for the whole family. So I'm first going to take all of my devices and we're going to make a little device shelf here. We're going to make this shelf a charging station that we're going to use all day long. So I've printed out a calendar, put it in a picture frame. Now we can dry erase on it and change it as much as we need to. And then you still have room up here for everybody's supplies. Some are in bags, some are in jars, some are in little Tupperwares. And now everybody has their stuff ready to use when they need it. You can know when everybody is going to be online. You have all of the devices charged and ready to go. And on the bottom rack, we simply have paper. And remember, a good mindset can go a long way. Be positive, work hard, and push your kids to persevere. All right, a special thanks today to my nieces and nephews and my children for helping make this video. And remember, you've totally got this, and you can conquer distance learning.